With the growing popularity of solar power, it's crucial to choose a reputable and reliable company that can provide you with high-quality solar equipment and excellent service. In this article, we will discuss the top 5 tips to help you select the right solar company for your solar energy needs. Tip 1. Look for companies that make their own solar equipment. When choosing a solar company, it's important to consider those that manufacture their own solar equipment. Companies like us at SunPower take pride in producing their own solar panels, inverters, and other essential components. By manufacturing their equipment in-house, these companies can ensure the quality and performance of their products, giving you peace of mind and long-term reliability. Tip 2. Assess the financial strength and longevity. Assessing the financial strength and longevity of a solar company is crucial. Look for companies that demonstrate stability and sustainability in the industry. A financially stable company indicates its ability to honor warranties, provide support and maintenance services, and stay operational for years to come. Consider choosing a company that is listed on the New York Stock Exchange, as it provides additional assurance of their credibility and financial stability. Companies listed on NYSE are subject to stringent financial regulations, enhancing transparency and accountability. Tip 3. Check for certifications and accreditations. Solar companies with certifications and accreditations showcase their commitment to quality and compliance with industry standards. Look for companies that have certifications such as the North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners certification, which ensures that the company employs well-trained professionals and adheres to the highest standards of solar installation and service. Tip 4. Read customer reviews and testimonials. One of the best ways to gauge the reputation and customer satisfaction of a solar company is by reading customer reviews and testimonials. Take the time to explore online platforms and websites where customers share their experiences. Look for positive feedback regarding the company's installation process, customer service, and overall satisfaction. Pay attention to any negative reviews and assess how the company responds to and resolves customer issues. Tip 5. Evaluate the warranty and after-sales support. When selecting a solar company, it's essential to evaluate the warranty provided for the solar equipment and the after-sales support offered. A comprehensive warranty ensures that you are protected in case of any defects or issues with the system. However, it's important to be cautious, as the solar industry has seen many companies come and go. Some companies may not have been around longer than the warranty they promised. To ensure long-term reliability, consider choosing a solar company like SunPower that has been in the industry for over 35 years, outlasting the warranty period they offer. SunPower, for example, provides a 25-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, showcasing their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Additionally, inquire about the after-sales support services such as maintenance, monitoring, and troubleshooting assistance. A reputable company will provide ongoing support to ensure optimal performance and address any concerns you may have. By selecting a solar company with a solid warranty and reliable after-sales support, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected and well supported. In conclusion, selecting the right solar company requires careful consideration and research. By following the 5 tips mentioned above, including evaluating warranties and after-sales support, you can make an informed decision and choose a solar company that meets your requirements for quality, reliability, and long-term support.